Hey guys, today I have with me the Redmi 9 Power. The smartphone offers a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 395 ppi. Redmi 9 Power has a bezel-less water drop notch display with Corning Gorilla Glass V3 protection. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and the power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone, IR blaster, and a 3.5mm jack. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port and a speaker grill. Redmi 9 Power comes with a quad camera setup with Redmi branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. Redmi 9 Power comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset with 11nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 4GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 512GB. Redmi 9 Power offers a 6000 mAh battery powered by an 18-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 48-megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 48-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers an 8-megapixel front camera. The software version of the Redmi 9 Power is Android 10 with MIUI. So guys, that's it for Redmi 9 Power. Thank you so much for watching this video.